Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a unicorn ice cream. So let's get started. To draw this yummy ice creamicorn, let's first start by drawing the horn. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And then I'm going to find the center and go straight up to say about right here. And from there, this point, I'm going to bring it down at an angle on both sides. There. And then I'm just going to come in here with some curves to give it some details. Then from there we need to draw the mane. So I'm going to come about right, let's see here, about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve around and go under, and then about right here I'm just going to curve in. And this is going to come through about right here and connect. I'm just drawing this kind of leaf shape right in there. So then from there, for some details, you can come in here, maybe just draw a curve so you can put in some color. And here as well. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm just going to use the mane as my guide for where I put my eyes. So right underneath here, I'm going to say about right in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. Right underneath. Then I'm going to draw the other circles. So about right here, right underneath the other part. Bring this out a little bit more. Let's say about right here. Go ahead and fit another circle right underneath. There. So now I have these two circles in. I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now my two eyes, and in between the eyes I'm going to draw this kind of a wobbly mouth. So right about here, just kind of wobble this widen out W. Just to give it a cute kawaii mouth. There. And then let's go above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right there. Then now that we have this part in, we're going to come up and let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So this is going to be the beginning of our ice cream. I'll drag this point across so that'll start on the other side as well. Just want a nice round scoop. That's our goal. So I'm just going to bring this down around the eye. And same thing here. Around the eye. Puff this out a little bit more, make it rounder and fuller. There. Okay, so then about right there, I'm going to bring this in. And same thing here. So now that we're about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, a curve in. So I'm just going to connect this with a curve, but I'm not going to fill it all the way. So I'm just going to break up the lines and connect it. And then right there, right about here, I'm going to poof this part out just to make it extra cute, like the ice cream's kind of melting. And so then I'm going to come right in here and I'm just going to draw a bunch of drips. And say about right here, I'm going to draw a longer one and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. We need to draw the cone. So I'm going to find my center, which is about right here, and I'm going to drag a point down to say about right here, just so I know this is my center. And then using this as my guide, round this part off. I'm going to come right about here and here, and I'm just going to aim an angle line all the way down to create my cone. So this way, it just makes it easier for me to make sure that my cone is nice and straight underneath. So about right there, and connect there. Okay, so then I'm going to come in here lightly and just draw some of these angle lines. I'm just kind of following my cone, the angle of my cone. And then so same thing here to give my cone some texture. So let's make it simpler, about right there and here. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish off our unicorn. So I'm going to come up here and we're going to draw some ears. So I'm going to put here, nice tall unicorn ears, round this off and bring it in, and the inside. So same thing on the other side. About right here and here. So when you're drawing big, it definitely helps. Just drag some points across so that things are a little bit more even if you need them to be. And inside. There. Starting to look like a unicorn, right? Hopefully. And then right about here, just going to pop in more. So I'm just going to draw a curve, and then we're going to have it come through and curve out. And maybe one more. And bring it in. There. And then, since this doesn't make sense anyway, let's add a tail. It's a unicorn, right? So we need to add more color. So let's say about right here. It doesn't have to make sense. I'm just going to pop in this curve. Imagine it coming through. Oops. And about right there. I'm going to pop it out and thicken it up. And then let's draw in some lines. Just going to lightly draw in these lines so that we can put in more color. There. And last but not least, I am missing a heart, aren't I? I'm going to, where should we add our heart? I didn't even think about that when I did it. Okay, right in the middle, right here. On our cone to make this my Draw So Cute Ice Creamicorn or Unicorn ice cream. I really hope this drawing brought a smile to your day and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.